Gynecomastia is male breast development, and there's a lot of reasons it can occur, and it's very distressing for individuals who have it.
Do you feel self-conscious about the size of your chest? Do you find yourself avoiding social situations or feeling uncomfortable with your shirt off at the beach? Man boobs, or gynecomastia, is a common condition that affects many men. While it may be a source of embarrassment or discomfort, there are ways to lose man boobs fast and forever. By making simple lifestyle changes and seeking appropriate treatment, you can regain confidence and achieve a more masculine chest appearance. Welcome to Healthee, and in this video, we'll explain 10 ways you can lose your man boobs fast and forever. Number 10. Exercise regularly. One of the most effective ways to lose your man boobs is through regular exercise. Strength training exercises like bench press, push-ups, and dips can help to build chest muscles and reduce the amount of fat stored in the chest area. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, and swimming can also help to burn fat all over the body, including the chest. And in addition to exercise, it's important to maintain a healthy diet as well. Eating a healthy diet, rich in protein, vegetables, and healthy fats can help to fuel your workouts and support muscle growth as well. Avoiding processed foods, sugar, and alcohol can also help to reduce body fat and promote overall health. Number 9. Consider surgery. In some cases, exercise and diet alone may not be enough to eliminate your man boobs. In these cases, surgery may be a viable option. Gynecomastia surgery, also known as male breast reduction, involves removing excess breast tissue and reshaping the chest for a more masculine appearance. It's important to note that surgery should not only be considered as a last resort after other methods have been tried and failed. It's also important to consult with a qualified plastic surgeon to discuss the risks, benefits, and expected results of the procedure. Number 8. Take supplements. There are several supplements available on the market that claim to help reduce man boobs. One of the most popular supplements include Gynectrol, which contains a combination of natural ingredients like caffeine, green tea extract, and chromium, which are thought to help reduce breast tissue and burn fat. Clenbuterol is designed to help burn fat and improve muscle definition, making it a popular choice for bodybuilders and athletes. Studies have shown that zinc can help to regulate hormones in the body, which may help to reduce the size of the man boobs. It's important to note that supplements should not be relied on as the sole method for eliminating man boobs. They should be used in conjunction with exercise and a healthy diet for best results. Number 7. Reduce stress levels. Stress can have a significant impact on hormone levels in the body, which can contribute to the development of man boobs. Cortisol, the hormone released in response to stress, can lead to an increase in fat storage and a decrease in testosterone levels. To reduce stress levels, it's important to engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Getting enough sleep, practicing self-care, and avoiding stressful situations whenever possible can also help to reduce stress levels. Number 6. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can also have an impact on hormone levels in the body, particularly testosterone. Studies have shown that heavy alcohol consumption can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels, which can contribute to the development of man boobs. Limiting alcohol consumption or avoiding it altogether can help to regulate hormone levels and reduce the risk of developing man boobs. If you do choose to drink, it's important to drink in moderation and to choose lower alcohol options like beer or wine instead of hard liquor. Number 5. Seek professional help. In some cases, man boobs may be the result of an underlying medical condition or hormonal imbalances. In these cases, it's important to seek professional help from a medical doctor or an endocrinologist. A medical professional can perform tests to determine the underlying cause of man boobs and recommend appropriate treatment options. However, replacement therapy or medication may be necessary in some cases to regulate hormone levels and reduce the size of man boobs. Number 4. Increase your fiber intake. Increasing your fiber intake can help to reduce overall body fat and aid in weight loss, which can help to reduce the size of man boobs. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help to prevent overeating and snacking on unhealthy foods. Foods that are high in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and even seeds. Adding these foods to your diet can help you feel fuller for longer, improving digestion, and even promote weight loss. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial when it comes to losing man boobs fast and forever. Water plays a vital role in the body's metabolism, digestion, and elimination of waste products. It also helps to maintain the body's temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients and oxygen to the cells. When the body is dehydrated, it can affect the metabolic rate, making it harder to burn calories and lose weight. Additionally, dehydration can lead to fatigue, which can make it harder to stick to an exercise routine. Drinking water can help to reduce overall calorie intake by filling up the stomach and reducing the appetite. It can also help to flush out toxins and waste products from the body, which can contribute to the development of man boobs. The amount of water needed varies from person to person depending on factors like age, weight, and activity level. A general guideline is to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, but more may be needed for those who exercise or live in hot climates. It's important to note that not all beverages are hydrating. Sugary drinks, caffeine, and alcohol can actually lead to dehydration and should be avoided or limited. To ensure adequate hydration, carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on water regularly. Drinking water before, during, and after exercise can also help to maintain hydration levels and improve performance. Overall, staying hydrated is essential for losing man boobs fast and forever. Drinking water can help to boost metabolism, reduce appetite, flush out toxins, and improve overall health and well-being. Number 2, get adequate vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a major role in regulating hormone levels in the body, and studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D can contribute to the development of man boobs. Getting adequate vitamin D from sun exposure, food, or supplements can help to regulate hormone levels and even reduce the size of man boobs. Foods that are rich in vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and cereal. Supplements are also available, but it's important to consult with your healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Number 1, incorporate high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training is a form of exercise that involves short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. HIIT has been shown to be an effective way to lose man boobs because it can help to boost metabolism, burn calories, and even reduce overall body fat. One of the benefits of HIIT is that it can be done in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional cardio exercises like running or biking. HIIT workouts can range from 10 to 30 minutes and can be done using a variety of exercises, such as sprints, jumping jacks, burpees, and high knees. The key to effective HIIT is to push yourself to your maximum intensity during the high-intensity intervals. This can be done by increasing the speed, resistance, or incline of the exercise. The rest periods should be used to recover and prepare for the next high-intensity interval. One study found that participants who incorporated HIIT into their exercise routine lose more body fat compared to those who did steady-state cardio exercises. HIIT has also been shown to be effective in reducing insulin resistance, which can help to prevent type 2 diabetes. It's important to start with low intensity and gradually increase the intensity and duration of the workouts to avoid injury. HIIT can be challenging, so it's important to listen to your body and rest when needed. Incorporating HIIT into your exercise routine, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle changes, can help you lose man boobs fast and forever. It can also improve overall fitness and lead to a healthier, more active lifestyle. Some examples of HIIT exercises include sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees, and high knees. It's important to start with low-intensity exercises and gradually increase the intensity and duration of the workouts to avoid injury. Are you ready to take the first steps towards achieving a more masculine chest appearance and regaining your confidence? If you've been wondering how you can supercharge your fitness, make sure to click on one of these videos on the screen to learn more. Subscribe before leaving, and we'll see you soon.